Good morning, guys.
What?
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. After my wisdom teeth removal, I wasn't eating a lot. Like, obviously I had to, I couldn't eat solid foods for like a whole week. And that kind of threw me off, and I'm basically starting over. So yeah, I'm gonna head out to the gym. I normally like to go to the gym fasted, so I'm not gonna have anything to eat, but I am gonna take some lit pre-workout, and I'm super excited because I'm gonna start feeling all the tingles. And I'm just gonna mix it in a cup because I don't have a shaker. My cousin and my brother literally always steal my shakers, so I'm out of them. I don't have not a single one. Got my water in my cup. Should I shotgun? Should I shotgun my pre-workout? That's risky. That's very risky. I don't know. Should I do it? Let me see how big the scoop is. Because sometimes the scoops are literally massive and I'm like, I'm gonna choke. I cannot. So, yeah. Maybe another day, so. It looks like witch poison. Kind of like hocus pocus. Hocus pocus! Some of their, like, you know, witch brew. So I'm just gonna mix that. I'm not gonna lie, I like this color. So I'm just gonna drink this up. Wow! Like I said, I'm just gonna finish this up real quick. I'm gonna head to the gym and I will see you guys back for lunch, brunch. Cheers! See you in a little bit. Alright guys, so I'm back from the gym. I actually took a little longer than I would have liked to. My friend ended up oh my god, the lighting is just not good. My friend, and oh my god, I look so bad, but my friend ended up showing up at the gym, so we ended up catching up for like 30 minutes, and then that kind of pushed back my workout. But I'm home now. I stopped at Target and I picked up a few things. So I'm having my friend coming over tomorrow. I just wanted to stock up on like you know, lunch stuff and fruit. So I got some strawberries, raspberries, eggs. I ran out of eggs, and then I got some so I also got this naan bread. 50 cents off, and I didn't even use this coupon. Anyways, so yeah, I got some naan. I bought this low carb bread. I've never tried it, so I'm kind of excited to try it. I'm just trying to get back on track after getting my wisdom teeth removed. I didn't really eat much at all, so I'm just trying to make sure that I'm eating a good amount for how much I am working out. And then some avocado oil because I ran out, some limes for, once again, the salad. And then they had these suja drinks on sale, buy two get one for free. I have yet to find the big suja one, so I don't have to buy these mini ones because it's a little pricey, but they sometimes have good sales like they did today. And then it's that time of the month and I'm craving something sweet, so I bought these grain-free cinnamon chips. Thank you, Anais, because I saw them on her story last night and it reminded me today I need to pick some up because these are my go-tos. They are fire. Also, I've been craving some chips, so I bought these Hippies organic chickpea snacks. These are really good for me. Like, I absolutely love these. They're 4 grams of protein, 3 grams of fiber, super good. And then those are just for Pablo's lunch. So yeah, that is all that I picked up, and I'm going to make my lunch right now because I am starving, and I'll show you guys how it comes out. Hey man, that's not for you. Also, just doing a quick little review on this apple, banana, mango, lemon, kale flavored suja. It is so good. It tastes like something that you would get at Jamba Juice, but Jamba Juice has a lot of sugar and so does this. But I think it's because it has apple, banana, mango and those are very high in sugar. Like those are fruits very high in sugar. It's all like natural sugars, but sugar is still sugar. Keep that in mind. But this is totally fine because I'm trying to limit my sugar. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a sweet tooth. I could eat chocolate all freaking day. So I'm gonna have this, and then I'm probably gonna make some eggs with like toast and some vegan butter or something, and not have fruit on the side because I'm already drinking my fruit. So yeah, I will show you guys how my food comes out though. So here is my brunch, really late brunch. I still haven't finished my green juice. I have my toast with, I actually ended up putting, I can't believe it's not butter, so I did 2 eggs, 1 egg white, and to my green juice I ended up adding my collagen peptides. So this meal, even though it looks very light, calorically it's good, like good amount of proteins and stuff like that. I mixed it in here. I'm gonna finish this up and I'll catch you guys for my next meal or snack. I bought these ingredients for tonight's dinner. I'm super excited to be making this with some butternut squash. We have some cabbage, some carrots, almonds, garbanzo beans, and then the chicken for some protein. And then I also did end up getting some flour, some quick oats, because I am going to be making a chocolate chip pecan oatmeal cookies. Yes, Pablo requested them, so we're gonna be making those tonight. So yeah. All right guys, so this is so far what I have for the cookies. I just wanted to show you guys, but not completely done, and I have an amazing help.
Look what came in. I'm sending it back.
He surprised me with the new iPhone.
I'm sending it back. These cookies should have been made before I came home.
And I don't know how I feel about it. I think I should sell it because...
I think you should too. Well, I'm sending it back. You don't even have to sell it.
But yeah, why did you surprise me with an iPhone? He surprised me for my birthday. It's a late birthday. I do random things.
Yeah. And I make impulse decisions. You should never really ask me why. I don't really have any reason.
Yeah, so it was a extra late birthday gift because, I don't know, he just said that that's what it was. But I did not see that coming. He kept telling me, he's like, oh, I have a surprise for you coming in November. And he told me this when it was like around my birthday, which my birthday was in the beginning of October, the new iPhone, and it's the white one. It's the white one. I've been wanting the white one. So I think I have...
Sorry.
You're so gross. I think I have the 12 or 11. No, I don't have the 12 because this is the 13, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I have the 11.
I'm tired of hearing you bitch about space too, so I got you the 1 terabyte. If you run out of space on that 1 terabyte, I'm just gonna lose hope and I'm never gonna really try it.
No, honestly, I feel like I still have space on my phone, the 256 gigs, but I think the 1 terabyte is just...
Yeah, I'm not getting you a new phone for like 5 years. It'll be like the iPhone 18 the next time you get a new phone.
But yeah, I've had, so for the 11 that I have, I was trying to look for the silver one, and I wanted the silver one because I like white. I like, oh my baby. I like white, and we couldn't get a hold of it, and we got the gray one or blue one or whatever it is. This one, it looks green, and I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't a fan of this color, but you know, it's like whatever, it's a phone. I didn't even know that iPhone made a 1 terabyte.
They didn't. They do now.
So it's new?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure the last one we went up to like 512 gigs or something like that.
Wow. So yeah, I'm never gonna run out of space, sure, and that's really cool because, you know, social media, YouTube, TikTok, Reel. But I got the white one and I'm super happy about it, and yeah. It's definitely important. Thank you, lovey.
Definitely important to get you 1 terabyte. 1 terabyte as you spend 16 hours a day on your phone. Full-time job of doing nothing.
So I'm super happy about this white one. I don't even want to open it yet. I want to, like, you know, leave it so 20 years later I can open it and be like it's an antique.
Why would you do?
I'm just kidding. We're gonna resume with our cookies and we'll show you guys the final product. Okay guys, so we have so much batter left. Like, look at that. That's insane. That literally is gonna last a good amount of time. And this batter stays fresh for a very long time. So what you can do is just put like saran wrap over the top, cover it, put it in your fridge. It's just easiest to just leave it in this big bowl and just scoop out as you go. I have a baking sheet of cookies in the oven, and that's good enough for just a few days for the rest of the week. And yeah, you just have your homemade cookie batter. So this is, like I said, oatmeal pecan chocolate chip cookies. Here is the list or the ingredients and instructions for the cookies if you guys just want to screenshot. So this is the finished product. I know it looks a little messy, but this is dinner. We have we have cabbage, butternut squash, chickpeas, and then we have these spicy almonds, carrots, and then I added some hummus and some naan bread on the side just to add more volume. This is a vegan friendly dish, so it's just chickpeas basically for the protein source. For Pablo's, I did add some rotisserie chicken to that to his salad, but you guys, this smells so good. And I tried a little bit of the butternut squash, so yummy. I'll link the recipe down below. But yeah, we're about to eat this up.